Well, looky this. The second week, going into the second week of November, we have snow. Now, I know it's not going to amount to anything, but man, isn't that beautiful? My wife hates the snow, but I love it. I love it. I love it. Bring it on. I hope it's like this all winter, really. I mean, honestly. Yeah. Sunday. Yep, we have snow going into the second week of November. I love it. What do you think, Gypsy? No? Get over here. Come here. Look at Dexter out there. He's got a little tie-dye hoodie on. He's like, man. Look at the little man. He's so pretty. Pretty snow. Anyways, hope you all enjoy it.